Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today we have actually a couple of special guests. This is the twins.
The twins?
They were sent by Coxy from coxyspicks.
It's actually twins.
Well, they're both exactly the same lock.
Are the keys the same? No.
No.
So they're not identical twins?
No, they're just very similar twins.
Oh, so they're paternal twins.
Yes, they came from the same factory.
They're the fraternal twins.
I don't know, but
Okay.
what I've decided to do with these is try and teach Mrs Deadlocks how lever locks work and get her picking her first lever lock.
In other words, I'm being held against my will to play with some twins.
Sounds good to me.
You're a pet, you are.
So, if you look inside here, you see the brass bit off to this side here.
Just so people know, I've never looked at a lever lock before in my life. I don't have a clue what he's talking about. But yeah.
So you can see that brass bit off to the side here.
Yep.
Okay, that is attached. Can you see this bolt here?
Yep.
It goes into the shackle.
Yep.
That's all attached. That's all one bit. That tall part of the key there,
Oh yeah.
that tries to push that along. All the other bits of the key, they just lift the levers to the correct height.
Okay.
The levers is this pack of things here. You following me so far?
Yep. Except from the camera, because you got it all the way over there. It's
Okay.
struggling to focus.
Can you see that little silver bit?
Yep, the little nobule.
Yep, just there.
Yep.
That is also attached to the bolt. So you need to get the levers lifted to a point where that will slide through the gates on all the levers. Do you understand that?
Say it again, I wasn't listening.
So that little silver bit there,
Yep.
which is attached to this brass bit in the bolt,
Yep.
that needs to be able to move across here.
Right.
So you need to get these levers to the right height so that little silver bit can move through the gates on the levers.
Oh.
Now this one's quite nice because two of the levers are automatically at the right height. The zero lift, you don't need to touch them. You only need to do number 1, 3 and 5. But what it looks like in operation, can you see all the levers there? Like my fingers aren't in the way.
Sort of. There's a reflection.
So the levers lift
Yep.
and the bolt goes across. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
That's what you're aiming to try and do.
Right.
So what we have is this thing.
What on earth is that?
This is our tensioner. This is basically just the tall bit that acts on the bolt, tries to push the bolt across.
Right.
So do you know when you have your tension wrench on a pin tumbler?
What one's a pin tumbler?
Pin tumbler is the stuff that you've picked before.
Okay, yeah.
This is like your tension wrench.
Right.
So you've got to do is stick that in there and turn it. Put a bit of tension on it and that's that tensioned. Yeah?
Right.
This is like your pick.
It looks like a thing you would stick up someone's nose to pull their brain out.
Because everyone's thoughts went straight to that.
But if they didn't, then they're weird.
So what you do is you get this in here, turn, get that tensioned, and you use this to start.
Fiddling with things.
Yep, so you're starting to, I can't see what I'm doing. What matters, use this to lift the levers.
Right. How do you know when you've lifted them enough?
You actually, if you've got enough tension on with this lock, you'll feel it turn a little bit.
Okay.
So this one, if I remember rightly, if you go right to the back one, put a decent amount of tension on, you see that turn there.
Yeah, no.
No. Can't let off again. If I go straight to the back one with this, put a decent amount of tension on, and lift the back a little bit. Did you see a little bit of a turn?
Yeah.
In the middle, there's a little bit of a turn, and the front and the pops open. Would you like to have a go?
Yeah, but you need to move the camera because I can't have the camera where you have the camera.
Okay.
Because I'm not a weirdo. So I need to take this out. When that's in there...
So you want that to move around that little hole like that?
I need more light. I can't see what I'm doing. It's too dark in here. Just because you're a flaming vampire.
Is that better, or do you need more light?
More light. I want all the light.
Let's see what I can do about getting you all of the light.
All of the light.
Now remember, with that one, you only need to lift 1, 3 and 5.
How much tension do I need?
Give it quite a lot.
What are you doing? You're breaking things.
Yep. A bit?
Yeah. I don't think I've got it in the right place. So I'll do that and then I'll have to... One like that. That one. So number one's this top one.
Yeah. But that's not number 1.
This very top one. I can't get it up that high. Oh, there. So do that one.
If you go, you get a bit more tension on than what you can probably get with just your thumb.
I can't put all that tension on. It's tension, it's gonna not move. You watch the cameras in the right place and put the camera over there or something.
That one, if you go to the lever 5 first.
So it keeps moving. Lever 5, that's the bottom one.
Yeah.
Ah! Did I open it? Or did I break it?
You opened it.
No, I didn't.
You actually did. That's it open.
How did I do that?
By picking it.
I broke it.
You didn't break
I
it.
feel like I broke it.
You didn't break it though.
I'll lock it again. I can't lock it!
It's easier to lock it with the key than it is to pick it locked.
So how do I get this thing out? Or like this?
How's it feel to have picked your first lever lock?
I don't believe I did it. I think I cheated.
We just got it on camera, you doing it.
I definitely cheated.
How,
I don't know, but it definitely felt like I cheated. Because it came open too quickly. Because it bounced open. You... Ouch! Hold my finger. To do it again?
you did.
How though?
By doing what I told you to do.
That's weird. Which is this one? No, that's not that one, that's that one. No, that way. I'm watching.
Do you feel like you could try some different lever locks?
Yeah, I guess so. So it's this one now.
You can try that one. That one you do have to work all of the levers.
So this goes in here.
But you want the same amount of tension again. I don't know what might help you. If you pull this up a little bit and then put your tension on. So if you pull on the tensioner a bit and then put your tension on, it squeezes all the levers together and helps them bind better.
It's not working with this one.
That's fine.
Screws in there. Look at all the rest.
But you understand the concept?
Yeah.
And you understand that one?
Yeah. It's just weird in this one.
So, from this one, Mrs Deadlocks understands how they work and has learned how to pick them.
I feel my finger though.
This one's a little bit beyond that for now, but we'll get her there with it. So that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.